Hello YouTube, what's up? How's it going? Hope y'all had a good 4th of July. But now it's back to our everyday thing. A lot of you had to go to work, I'm sure. Me, I'm retired. I'm just sitting here working on that bad boy. What's this? Oh, it's a box. Yep. But hey, let me show you something here. Let me turn this around and show you something really cool. So you know that I have my doors ready for paint. As you can see, they're already taped up. Okay, everything that I don't want to get hit with primer and paint. Okay, see, it's already taped up. Got the hinges all cleaned up, ready to go. All right, those will be getting painted and primered and all that good stuff. My rear view mirror, got it taped up, ready for paint. I'm not going to tell you why it's taped like that. Surprise, okay? But here we have a small box. What's that say? Oh, look at there, LMC. All right, so, all right, doing the one-handed thing, sorry. Normally I don't do that. Come on. And of course, they never want to stay open. Here, let's do this. All right. Cool bubble wrap. I'm going to use that later. But anyways, what we got here, door panel seals. Okay, these bad boys, they're going to go inside this little channel thing here so that when I put the door panel back on, these are going to seal it. Got one for each door. All right. In this little bag here, all right, we have the turn signal cancel cap. Okay, we got pieces to rebuild everything in the steering column. Okay, the horn, button thingamajigger, door handle cushions. So when we put the door handles back on, all right. Okay, more door handle cushion thingies, circle things. All right. Ooh, big old black rubber things. This is the cab door seal. This is going to go around the door entrance. I don't know why I said the door entrance, but anyways, the inside of the cab. This is the seal for the doors. All right. And then Mr. FedEx just showed up, and just not even a few minutes ago, and handed me this box here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to quit doing the one-handed thing, and I'm going to put it on a tripod. All right, hold on. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Let's bust open this bad boy. I know what it is, but let's make this exciting for you guys. Again, it's from LMC, and I just seem to have good luck with them. They happen to have everything I need whenever I need it, so I just stick with them. I mean, granted, I've bought some stuff from other truck companies, but, you know, they just happen to have what I need. All right. And so what we have here, all right, we have our door channels. Okay. This is what's going to go inside here like this. Hope the camera shows you. All right. Once these are painted, door channels going in there. All right. This is the ones for where the wing window goes. These go straight out inside there. All right. And then these two little pieces here. If I can get the darn thing open. I need to sharpen my knife. All right, see? The little felt window channel things that go down here in the bottom, right in there. So, very cool. I like that. It's 2 each, 2 for each door. Everything I need for once I get the doors painted. I'm gonna have all brand new window channels, brand new window felts. And then we got these 2 doohickeys. Okay, let me pop this open for you. At least one of them. Okay. All right. These are the door stops. Brand new door stops. Okay. So not only do I have brand new window channels and felts and all that good stuff, it's going to have brand new shiny door stops. All right. So that it don't go slamming on my cab when I open the door. We got 1 each for each door. Yep. You know, if you're gonna do it, might as well do it all. No need to half-ass it. Although I've done half-ass it a couple times. But you know what I mean. So anyways, that's what we got going on today. Well, not today. It's too hot. It's very hot out here right now. It's already, see, it's only 12 o'clock noon. It's already in the 3 digits. But anyways, let me get this here real quick. Like I said, everything I need for the doors there. They're ready for paint, hinges, everything like that. New seals for the door panels. And new door weather strippings and steering column rebuild. So anyways, that's it for that one. Oh, and aside from those things getting painted, let me show you this little hack. All right, I don't know about you guys, but here's some of the bolts for the hinges, already nice and clean, ready for paint. The rest of the stuff's in here. So what I do here, okay, is I have anything that's rusted, small pieces like this and all that, you know, they got all that rust and stuff. Okay, let me show you what that looks like. Pull out one of these door hinges. Okay, look at that. Okay, see how all the old paint and everything's all coming off of it? So what I do there, okay, of course I would do it with 2 hands, but I don't have 2 hands. Wire brush, just, you know, hold it and brush it off. Okay, here, let me see if I can do this. Or better yet, let me just put this on a tripod and I'll show you. All right. So, anyways, have them soaking in vinegar. Okay. And then you just go ahead and take that wire brush to them, clean them all up, get all that rest of that, look at all that rust and shit coming off of there. This is just plain old white vinegar, pure white vinegar. That's all it is. Let them soak for a couple of days. Take a wire brush to them. Come out all nice and clean. no need to go buy a whole bunch of new stuff. They're going to get painted anyways with the hinges. Hey, there you have it. Nice clean hinge bolt. Then I'll just put it on this board here with the other ones. I got some of the door panel screws. That's for the door panels. They're going to get painted red. I still got a couple of them left in there I got to dig out, but I did those. Got some of the fender nuts and bolts for the fenders, so I can put the fenders back on and stuff. But yeah, see, that's for the hinges. So same time the hinges get painted, these are going to get painted, and everything's coming together. It's all about just putting stuff together now. Okay. But yeah, just good old pure white vinegar. Okay. So I gotta, let me go show you here real quick. There you have it. That's all you need. Just pour it inside there, a little cup or something or whatever. Throw your rusted parts in there and just leave them there for a couple days, 24 hours or so. And it'll clean them right up like brand new. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick little video update on what's all going on. And like I said, doors are ready for painting. Like I said, I showed you before. Okay, they're all taped up. Everything that I don't want to get painted on, they're taped up, ready to go. All right, and oops, there we go. Much better. Oh my God, it's just too hard to find the right lighting and shit in here. You know? All right, let's just do it right here and call it quits. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Just a little update on what's going on, you know. And like I said, it's very hot here right now, and kind of hard to be out here in the garage trying to do something in the middle of the heat and everything. But guaranteed next week I'm going to be doing the video on a primer and paint. Hey, and then we're going to hang them bad boys, and that truck's going to be looking good. And once I got the doors on it, then I'm going to start putting the soundproofing and all that on the floor, get my gas tank in, and like I said, everything, it's all about just putting stuff together now. All right, so y'all have a nice rest of your weekend. Or actually the beginning of your weekend. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. All right, God bless. Oh, remember to subscribe and all that other funny stuff. All right, bye.